Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a picture without making any selection. First you need to bring in a photo whose background you want to remove. Go to layers and then unlock the layer. Make a duplicate of the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Let's hide this bottom layer and now you can go to window and here you would see an option called properties. Just check it and you would see this property panel right above layers, and here you can see we have the option in quick actions remove background and select subject. Just click on remove background and you can see the artificial intelligence of Photoshop is working behind to remove the background, and here we go. You can see it has done a pretty good job. And it must be noted that it has created a layer mask, which means that this background has been removed non-destructively. If some part of the photo has been removed that you don't want to be removed, then you can bring it back. Let me show you how this can be done. First, let me zoom in. You can see a part of this photo has been removed and we can bring it back. Just switch the foreground and background. Now background color is black. Pick up the brush by pressing B, and now you can just increase the size of the brush by pressing right bracket key, and then you can click over it and bring it back. Here we go. Let me zoom out. Now check it. Look closely how beautifully it has removed the background. That's how you can remove a background without making any selection. Thanks for watching.